Welcome everyone. In today's sessions we are going to check how to display the system information on the status bar. To enable the system information we need to click to the view, click to the system information, or we can use the shortcut key Ctrl Shift and I. Once we clicked on the system information, the system information will enable. Once the system information is enabled, we can move the cursor to the form field and check the details related to the field on the status bar, as the table name, field name, form ID, item ID, field length. This information we require to have it because when we are doing some technical developments, or we need to understand where this information is saved on the database, that time we required this kind of the informations, and we can check this with a system information on the status bar. So let's move to the SAP Business One and do the small demo. So I'm going to open the business partner master data. I will navigate to the one of the record, and I need to check this particular name of the business partner is saved where. So I'm not able to see the information on the status bar, as you can see. To enable this information, I need to go to the view, then click to the system information. Once I click to the system information checkbox is checked. It means that the system information is enabled. And once I move the cursor to the field, then I can see on the status bar the information related to the field, like the table name, field name, form ID, item ID. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanking you.